Cap 26 here to do the tips and repairs and hobbies, and we've got the ROXON here again, and we do a blade change. Have your tool with the name facing you. Push these two levers up like that. Okay. Now when you do that, your blade is going to pop up on you like that. So you want to take the blade out. Okay, get your other blade. Open the case up, click it down like that, open it like that, and then pull this part back to release the blade. Okay, and you're going to put your blade in there like that. That's in the open position. And you take your plate, put your plate on top of the two parts like that, push down, push that one down, and you really gotta push the lever down, push the blade down, push that down, and lock it in. Push this down, push the blade down. Okay, and then you got a blade change. Okay, so that's how you change a blade. So let's do it. Let's take the blade out and change it back. So you pop these two out simultaneously. Take the plate off. Release the blade. Make sure this is a blade that looks kind of like, you know, could go both ways. Put the blade in, down against the liner. Put this back on this plate, and then push the two levers down. So then you got the blade change. That's what I wanted to show you today, and I hope you got a good view of that, and I hope you're having a good day. Thank you for watching. Please rate, subscribe, and ring the notification bell, and give me the thumbs up. And we'll see you next time in the next video. Thank you.